Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our lecturer, Sir Yusrul Rizal. In this presentation, our group will present our topic, which is Labuan Financial Service Authority, Lofsa. First of all, let me introduce our team members. Me, myself, Siti Nofarisha binti Sudin, Nur Aina Basirah binti Zahari, Fatimah Amalim binti Azizi, Syahir bin Azizun, and Nufir Hayu binti Azizi. This presentation will cover several important parts of Lofsa, which is the first is introduction, Lofsa roles in promoting Islamic finance, Sharia compliant financial product in Lofsa, the regulatory framework in Islamic finance, growth and performance of Islamic finance, challenge and opportunity, and the future trend in Islamic finance. I will start this presentation with the introduction of Lofsa. Labuan Financial Service Authority, Labuan FSA, was established on February 15, 1996 through the enactment of the Labuan Financial Service Authority Act 1996. Operating as a statutory body, Labuan FSA is integral to the development and administration of the Labuan International Business and Financial Centre, Labuan IBFC. The primary objective of Labuan FSA encompasses the promotion and development of Labuan as a distinguished international hub for business and financial service. This involves implementing strategies to attract global business and fostering the growth of financial activities within the Labuan IBFC. Additionally, Labuan FSA is tasked with formulating national objectives, policies and priorities to ensure systematic and orderly development as well as the effective administration of international business and financial service in Labuan. By doing so, Labuan FSA aims to create a conducive environment for business to thrive while adhering to regulatory framework. Furthermore, Labuan FSA serves as the central regulatory, supervisory and enforcement authority overseeing the international business and financial service industry in Labuan. This encompasses granting license, implementing regulatory policies, supervising entities within the Labuan IBFC, and enforcing compliance with local laws and international standards. This authoritative role is very crucial for maintaining the integrity, stability, and adherence to regulatory standards within Labuan's financial ecosystem. Next is we proceed with the Lofsa roles in promoting Islamic finance. Labuan Financial Service Authority Lofsa plays a multifaceted and pivotal role in fostering the growth and prominence of Islamic finance within the Labuan International Business and Financial Centre, Labuan IBFC. Here are several of Lofsa roles in promoting Islamic finance. The first one is regulatory framework development. Lofsa is responsible for crafting and refining the regulatory framework governing Islamic finance activities within Labuan IBFC. This involves creating a regulatory environment that support the development and operation of Islamic financial institutions and products, ensuring they align with Sharia principles. The second one is licensing and supervision. Lofsa issues license to Islamic financial institutions such as Islamic banks and takaful companies and oversees their operations to ensure compliance with Sharia principles. The authority conducts regular supervisory activities to monitor and evaluate the performance of these institutions, maintaining the integrity of the Islamic financial sector. The third one is Sharia governance. Lofsa oversees the implementation of robust Sharia governance framework within Islamic financial institutions. This includes ensuring that their operation, product and service adhere to Sharia principles and ethical standards. The authority collaborates with Sharia scholars and advisors to maintain the authenticity of Islamic finance offering. The next one is promotion and marketing. Lofsa actively promotes Labuan IBFC as a global hub for Islamic finance. Through strategic marketing initiatives and participation in international events, Lofsa showcases Labuan's commitment to providing a conducive environment for Islamic financial service. This proactive promotion attracts global players and investors to choose Labuan as a destination for Islamic finance activities. Next, collaboration with Islamic financial institutions. Lofsa collaborates closely with Islamic financial institutions, offering support and guidance to facilitate their establishment and operation within Labuan IBFC. This collaborative approach ensures seamless entry for this institution and encourages their long-term commitment to Labuan as an Islamic finance hub. And the last one is innovation and product development. Lofsa encourages innovation within the Islamic finance sector by facilitating the development of new and innovative Sharia-compliant financial product and service. This promotes diversity and competitiveness, making Labuan IBFC an attractive destination for those seeking cutting-edge solutions in Islamic finance. The conclusion is Lofsa comprehensive roles in promoting Islamic finance involve regulatory framework, development, licensing and supervision, Sharia governance, promotion and marketing, collaboration with institutions, capacity building, innovation and product development, and international collaborative. This concerted effort contribute to positioning Labuan IBFC as a leading and reputable center for Islamic finance on global stage. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naina Basira binti Zahari, metric number 2021853566. So I will continue this presentation. For the first one is Mudarabah. Mudarabah in the Labuan Financial Service Authority function as a Sharia-compliant investment and financing option. In Mudarabah, one party provides capital and another contributes expertise or labor. The profit and loss from the venture are shared based on an agreement open ratio and encouraging risk sharing and aligning interests. Lofsa ensures compliance with Islamic principles, overseeing the legal and regulatory framework for Mudarabah transaction. This setup allows investors to participate in various economic activities while providing entrepreneurial opportunity for skilled professionals. Sharia investors may be involved to certify compliance, and Lofsa plays a role in protecting investor interests through transparency and regulatory adherence. Understanding Islamic financial principles and seeking approval from regulatory bodies are essential for entities involved in Mudarabah transaction in Labuan. For the second one is Wadi'ah. Wadi'ah serve as a straightforward and secure financial arrangement. Wadi'ah involves the safekeeping of deposits, where customers entrust their funds to a financial institution for safekeeping, and the institution guarantees the return of the full amount upon request. The next is Musyarakah. Musyarakah plays a key role as a partnership-based financial arrangement. Musyarakah involve a joint venture where partner pools their capital to engage in a business venture. Profit and loss are shared based on agreed open ratios, fostering collaboration and resharing. Lofsa oversees the regulatory aspect of musyarakah transaction, ensuring adherence to Islamic principles. Sukuk serve as an important Islamic financial instrument. Sukuk represent ownership in tangible assets or services, and it operates on the principle of asset-backed financing. Lofsa oversees the regulatory framework for sukuk issues, ensuring compliance with Sharia principles. Sukuk allow investors to participate in various projects or asset sharing in the profit generated. Next is Takaful serve as an Islamic insurance mechanism. Takaful operate on the principle of mutual cooperation and shared responsibility. Individuals or businesses contribute to a common fund to provide coverage against risks or losses. Lofsa oversees the regulatory framework for Takaful, ensuring it aligns with Sharia principles. Takaful offers a halal alternative to conventional insurance, promoting ethical practice and community support. Lofsa rules includes monitoring compliance, transparency, and safeguarding the interests of participants in Takaful's scheme, making it a trusted avenue for risk protection in Labuan. Ijara. Ijara serves as a leasing or rental arrangement in compliance with Sharia principles. Ijara allows business or individual to lease assets such as property or equipment from a lessor. This lease pays rental payments for the agreed open period, and at the end of the lease, they may have the option to purchase the asset. This financial arrangement provides a Sharia-compliant alternative to conventional leasing, enabling business to access need assets while staying in line with Islamic ethics. Lofsa rules involve maintaining transparency and ensuring the proper implementation of Ijara contract in Labuan. And the last one is Murabaha. Murabaha serves as an Islamic financing mechanism. It involves the sale of goods with a disclosed profit margin, allowing buyers to acquire assets or goods by paying the cost plus an agreement upon profits.
So hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahid Alizun. So now I want to talk about the regulatory framework for Lofsa. So firstly, the Sharia compliant guidelines. So Lofsa as the regulatory authority in Labuan plays a pivotal role in shaping a robust framework for Sharia compliant financial service. This involves meticulous process for formulating and enforcing guidelines that touch upon every phase of Islamic finance. These guidelines cover ethical investment practices, profit distribution mechanism, and risk-sharing principles. For instance, Lofsa ensures that financial institutions adhere to the principle of transparency and fairness in their dealings, fostering an environment where Islamic finance can thrive. By providing such comprehensive guidelines, Lofsa contributes not only to adhere of Sharia principles, but also to development of a distinct and principled financial ecosystem in Labuan. Furthermore, Lofsa Sharia compliant guidelines serve a benchmark for financial institutions, guiding them in structuring their products and services. This clarity helps institutions in Labuan to create financial solutions that resonate with the values of Islamic finance. The guidelines also act as a source of confidence to investors, both local and international, who seek assurance that their financial activities align with ethical and Sharia principles. So for the second point is Islamic banking oversight. Lofsa oversight of Islamic banking activities is a nature and vigilant process. In Murarabah transaction, where profits and losses are shared between the bank and the customer, Lofsa ensures that the allocation of returns of inequitable and complies with Sharia principles. The regulatory bodies synchronize the agreements and practices to guarantee that they adhere to the ethical standards of Islamic finance. Similar in murabaha transaction, where goods are sold at a markup price, Lofsa ensures transparency in pricing, the avoidance of elements deemed not complying by Sharia, such as riba and usury. Lofsa's oversight is not just about compliance but also fostering a culture of responsible and ethical banking practices. Through detailed inspection and continuous monitoring, Lofsa contributes to the credibility and stability of Islamic banking in Labuan. This oversight is essential for maintaining public trust and confidence in the financial institution operating under Islamic principles. Next point is transactional compliance. Lofsa oversight in takaful regulation is multifaceted, encompassing a range of measures to ensure the integrity of Islamic insurance practices in Labuan. Takaful operates on the principle of mutual assistance, and Lofsa guidelines are designed to reinforce this collaborative framework. The regulatory bodies recognize takaful providers to guarantee that their operation align with Sharia principles, emphasizing ethical underwriting practices and risk-sharing mechanism. By doing so, Lofsa aims to prevent practices that could compromise the ethical foundation of takaful, such as speculative elements or excessive uncertainty. The regulation provides clarity on takaful operators, fostering an environment where participants can trust that their contributions are managed in a manner consistent with Islamic finance principles. Ultimately, Lofsa's commitment to takaful regulation contributes to the development of a resilient and ethical Islamic insurance market in Labuan, promoting confidence among participants and enhancing the overall stability of the sector. So last but not least, the next point is takaful regulations. Lofsa meticulous oversight of Islamic financial transactions, including ijarah and musyarakah, reflects its commitment to maintaining the highest standard of compliance with Sharia principles. In the case of ijarah, where assets are leased, Lofsa ensures that leasing agreements adhere to the Islamic principles, avoiding interest-based elements and excessive uncertainty. Similarly, in musyarakah transaction, where joint ventures are formed, Lofsa synchronizes the agreement to ensure fair profit sharing and transparency among the involved parties. This security is crucial for upholding the credibility of Labuan Islamic Financial Service, reassuring the business and individuals that their financial dealings are ethically grounded. By enforcing transaction compliance, Lofsa not only prevents deviation from Sharia principles but also fosters an environment of trust and transparency, key elements for sustained growth and success of Labuan Islamic finance sector.
The growth and performance in Islamic finance within a jurisdiction of Labuan Offshore Financial Service Authority (Lofsa). Labuan as an international business and financial center has made a remarkable strides in establishing itself as a hub for Islamic finance under the careful supervision and regulation of Lofsa. In recent years, the Islamic finance sector in Labuan has experienced robust growth, demonstrating its resilience and attractiveness in the global market. Lofsa, as the regulatory authority, has played a pivotal role in fostering an environment conducive to the development of Islamic financial products and services. The agency has implemented progressive regulatory framework, ensuring compliance with Sharia principles while maintaining international standards. One of the key factors contributing to the success of Islamic finance in Labuan is the strategic positioning of the jurisdiction as a gateway between the East and the West. This unique geographical advantage has attracted a diverse range of investors and financial institutions seeking to participate in Sharia compliance transactions. Lofsa's commitment to fostering an inclusive and transparent regulatory environment has instilled confidence among market participants, leading to an influx of investment in Islamic financial instruments. Furthermore, Lofsa has been proactive in collaborating with industry stakeholders to promote innovation and diversity in Islamic financial products. This collaborative approach has not only facilitated in the introduction of new and sophisticated financial instruments but has also encouraged financial institutions to explore opportunities for sustainable and socially responsible investment. In terms to performance, the Islamic finance sector in Labuan has consistently demonstrated robust financial health and stability. Lofsa's stringent regulatory oversight has ensured the soundness of Islamic financial institutions operating within the jurisdiction, contributing to the overall resilience of Labuan's financial system. Looking ahead, Lofsa remains committed to fostering the growth of Islamic finance in Labuan by continuing to enhance regulatory framework, promoting innovation, and strengthening international collaboration. The agency recognized the importance of adaptability in the rapidly evolving financial landscape and is poised to navigate future challenges while seizing opportunities for further expansion. In conclusion, the growth and performance of Islamic finance in Labuan under the stewardship of Lofsa exemplify the jurisdiction's commitment to becoming a leader player in the global Islamic finance landscape. The collaboration between regulatory authorities, financial institutions, and investors has laid a solid foundation for sustained growth, making Labuan a compelling destination for those seeking to participate in the dynamic world of Islamic finance.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Nur Amali binti Azizi. Matrix number 2021298766. I, as the next presenter, I will present about challenge and opportunities of Lofsa. Labuan Financial Services Authority typically deal with overseeing financial services and related activities in Labuan, Malaysia. Like any regulatory body, Lofsa faces challenges and opportunities within its scope. For the challenges, first is regulatory compliance. It's ensuring that financial institutions and entities comply with evolving regulatory standards and international best practices can be challenging, especially with changing global finance landscape. Next is technological advancement. Adapting to and regulating emerging financial technologies, fintech, while maintaining security standards and preventing potential risks such as cyber threats and data breaches. The third one is consumer protection, which ensuring that financial products and services offered are transparent, fair, and protect the interests of consumers in a rapidly changing financial landscape. Fourth one is anti-money laundering (AML) and counter-terrorism financing (CTF). It is for mitigating risks associated with the money laundering and terrorism financing, ensuring the effective enforcement and compliance by financial institutions. And the last one for the challenges is global economic uncertainty. Navigating throughout the economy uncertainties and market volatilities that can affect the financial stability and performance of the institution within its jurisdiction. Next, opportunities. First is fostering innovation. It's embracing and regulating innovation in financial technology to foster a more dynamic and competitive financial environment. Second is enhanced regulation, which is strengthening regulation to attract more business and investors to Labuan in order to creating a conducive environment for growth and development in the financial sector. Third is digital transformation. It is leveraging and digitalization to streamline process, enhance efficiency, and improve more regulatory oversight. The fourth one is sustainable finance. It is for encouraging the growth of sustainable and ethical finance, aligning with global initiative and attracting investors interested in environmentally and socially responsible investment. Next is capacity building, which is investing in the skill development of its workforce to keep pace with the changing financial market, technology, and regulatory requirement. The last one is international collaboration, which is collaborating with other regulatory bodies globally to enhance the regulatory standard, share best practice, and attract international investment. For the conclusion is, Lofsa faced the challenge of balancing robust regulation with fostering a conducive environment for growth and innovation in the financial sector. The opportunities lie in the leveraging technological advancement, international collaboration, and evolving regulatory framework to create a resilient and progressive financial ecosystem in Labuan. That's it from me. I will pass it for the next presenter.
In the context of Labuan Offshore Financial Service Authority (Lofsa), the future trend in Islamic finance holds significant implications for the jurisdiction. Labuan is poised to become a key player in the growth of Sharia-compliant financial products and services. The increasing global demand for ethical and sustainable financial solutions position Labuan to diversify its offering, including innovative instruments like Sukuk and Islamic investment funds. Technological advancements are expected to play a transformative role in shaping the landscape of Islamic finance within Lofsa. Fintech solutions such as blockchain and smart contract present opportunity to enhance efficiency, transparency, and security in Islamic financial transactions. Labuan's commitment to staying at the forefront of technology progress position the jurisdiction to leverage this advancement and create a competitive Islamic finance ecosystem. Collaboration and partnership are crucial elements for the future of Islamic finance in Lofsa. The authority recognizes the importance of fostering strong ties with international Islamic financial institutions and market players. By promoting cross-border collaboration, Labuan can attract foreign investment, diversify its financial market, and strengthen its position as a global Islamic financial hub. Labuan, under the regulatory framework of Lofsa, is set to play a pivotal role in shaping the future trend of Islamic finance. The convergence of ethical finance, technological innovation, and strategic collaboration positions Labuan as a dynamic player in the evolving financial landscape. Maintaining a commitment to excellence, regulatory compliance, and ethical standards will be crucial in ensuring sustainable growth in this dynamic sector.
So next we go through the conclusions. So in conclusion, Lofsa's significance goes beyond mere regulatory oversight. It serves as a catalyst for the development and evaluation of Labuan financial landscape. By establishing and enforcing Sharia compliant guidelines, Lofsa creates a framework that goes beyond compliance, promoting a culture ethical finance that resonates with the principle of Islamic finance. This framework not only ensures the stability of financial institutions but also fosters a sense of trust among the business, investor, and general public. Lofsa detailed oversight of Islamic banking, takaful regulation, and transactional compliance reflect a commitment to upholding the ethical standards inherent in Islamic finance in the dynamic field of Islamic banking. Lofsa role is pivotal in shaping practice that align with the mudarabah and murabaha principles, ensuring financial institutions engage in transactions that are not only profitable but also ethically sound. Similarly, in the realm of takaful, Lofsa regulation provides a foundation for a collaborative and mutual supportive insurance market, rooted in risk sharing and ethical underwriting. Moreover, Lofsa meticulous attention to transactional compliance, whether in ijarah or musyarakah transaction, not only safeguard against deviations from the Sharia principles but also reinforce Labuan's commitment to transparency. This commitment is integral to maintaining the credibility of Labuan as a global financial center.